Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on keyboard light or backlight on any Lenovo laptop. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go and look at your laptop keyboard, and what you should do right now is to simply search for this icon right here. Here in my case, I do not have Asus laptop in fact, but I will show you exactly how to do it even if you have another laptop. So you will find this icon right here, which is like a keyboard icon with a light coming out from it. And now what you should do is simply click on the button itself and it will turn on the backlight as you can see. Now, if it didn't work, you can simply click on the FN button plus the F5 or whatever button that you have the icon on it. So I'm going to click on FN plus the F5. It didn't work, so I'm going to click on F5 itself alone. Now, you may find it on F3, F4, F5, F7, F11, or you may find it right here in the up and down buttons. It differs from a laptop to another. So what you should do is to simply search for the icon, click on the button. If it didn't work, you can use the FN button plus the button that has the icon. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a comment down below, share this video with your friends, and see your friends in a new tutorial.